Jeffrey.
Yeah, how can I help you?
Can I get a Whopper meal with a Dr. Pepper, and that'll be it?
There you go, thank you.
Thank you. Nice. Alright, I haven't done this spot before, but we're about to try it out. This new spot in Mexico. Oh, that'd be so nice to link this. I was scared though. I hit the curb before. We're back in the rig. I'm on some tires. They got some life, and we're out here looking for a little spot, and we're gonna see what we can make happen.
It's like some Fast and Furious shit. It's like some Fast and Furious shit. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. That's like, I told you, that's like some Fast and Furious shit. Christian got that, me. Drift wizard. Oh, shit. Fuck. Today's episode of Can You Fucking Drive or Not? LSG, great top. E36M. Motherfucker got E36M. Can I fit in it or not?
My seating position. Here, push that up.
No shit. Got a little confetti in this motherfucker. Ta-da! With popcorn in this motherfucker. Ski mask if I want to rob a motherfucker. Give it up, bro.
Oh yeah, he get E36 for sure.
E36 9. E39. Man, Crunchy fell. Long live Crunchy, man.
Long live Crunchy.